Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Wisner Boulevard in New Orleans, Louisiana. We are traveling through a neighborhood that reflects the city's history of planning, growth, and resilience. Wisner Boulevard is part of a larger network of parkways and thoroughfares that connect residential areas to parks, schools, and community spaces. Wisner Boulevard runs through the Gentilly area, a part of the city that grew significantly during the 20th century. Much of Gentilly was developed after World War II as New Orleans expanded outward and new suburban-style neighborhoods were built. This expansion was made possible by improvements in drainage and transportation, allowing residents to move into areas that were once swamp and wetlands. The boulevard is named after Andrew J. Wisner, who served as a New Orleans city official and was involved in local government during the early 20th century. His name lives on in this roadway, which continues to serve as an important route for local traffic and community life. As you drive, you'll notice a mix of residential homes, small parks, and local businesses. The area reflects mid-century architecture and the practical design of post-war neighborhoods. Many of the homes here were built in the 1950s and 1960s, featuring simple, comfortable designs suited to family life. Gentilly and the surrounding areas have also been shaped by New Orleans' unique relationship with water. The city's drainage system, including pumps and canals, has played a crucial role in making development possible in areas that were once marshland. This engineering has allowed neighborhoods like Gentilly to grow and thrive. Like many parts of New Orleans, this area was deeply affected by Hurricane Katrina in 2005. Flooding and damage impacted homes and infrastructure across Gentilly. In the years since, residents have worked to rebuild and restore their communities, and today the neighborhood shows both the challenges and resilience of the city. Wisner Boulevard also connects to several local landmarks and community spaces, including parks and schools that serve the surrounding neighborhoods. This boulevard helps tie the area together, offering a practical route for daily life while also reflecting the city's broader story of expansion and adaptation. This drive through Wisner Boulevard offers a look at New Orleans beyond the historic downtown. It highlights the city's residential heart, where families live, work, and rebuild together, and where the rhythm of everyday life continues on streets shaped by history and geography.